Morning, guys. Morning. So the weather changed tremendously. It's crazy. And now I have to wear a jacket. I have to do a long sleeve and jacket, warm jacket. And Leo, say hi, Leo. Come here, Leo. We are here with Leo, waiting on a taxi. And I'm going to remove my beauty mark, my beauty spot. So I will remove this one, and also I will remove one more. I have big one on my back. So my mom said to me, Swaggy, better I remove them because Jamaican sun is hot and you'll never know. Like my mom explained to me that those beauty spots, they are pretty dangerous, so they can reborn as a something what can cause cancer, and I need to remove them. Yeah, so today they will burn them out. Yeah, and I'm not really scary because I gave birth 2 times, so I don't know what can really scare me. Yeah, so we are going now to the taxi and to the beauty clinic. Yeah. Guys, we are done. Leo was a good boy. He waited on me like a big man. No crying, no being naughty.
And then this is a coffee.
Yeah, so I removed my beauty spot. You can see it, guys. Let me show you. You see it, Leo?
What's happening your gut?
I removed my beauty spot, my beauty mark.
Beauty mark?
You don't even know what it is. Guys, we came to have some breakfast, so that's my breakfast and coffee. And by the way, the pizza place was closed, so I couldn't take Leo today because it's too early, but I'll take him next day. I'm sorry, Leo. So they open at 10, now it's 9 o'clock, so we're just here sitting. And yeah, I'm feeling much better though. It wasn't really painful. They just remove it really quick, really fast. And I have this spot to take care. Yeah, my mom will help me with one on my back. Yeah, that was quick and fast. Yeah, so my mom was worrying about me getting some stuff from it. Yeah, because the sun is too hot in Jamaica, so I had to get rid of them. So my mom asked me to show you this building. So in this building where actually people get married, yeah, here they swear. But it's not a church building, it's just an official government building where they sign the papers, all the official part. Yeah, this building they do it in there, but no church. This is not a church. Yeah guys, so I actually feed Leo, by the way. Not only me, yeah, that's Leo food. We ended up in the shopping mall again. So can you believe you can actually get your injection from COVID here in the shopping mall? That's crazy, but yes, you can get it here. But I'm not gonna inject myself yet. Yeah, I am not ready, honestly, guys. No, not yet. Guys, we came to the sport shop to buy Leo some school shoes. Yeah, so yeah, in Jamaica it's really a problem for us to find the full black shoes, you know, with the good price. So here it's not really bad with the price. Just going to try on because Leo shoes small, they're small, so we need to replace. And Daniel is lucky he can get his Nike shoes though. But I learned as a parent that you don't really need to buy those brands and waste your money. Just buy something casual. So my mom is trying to feel his toes. Yeah, it's good. So we're gonna get him a school shoes. Yeah, nothing fancy. School shoes. Leo found a place where he wants to stay. He's not coming back with us. He said he will stay here. Okay, Leo. You're going camping?
Yeah, and then this is a camping.
This is a camping tent.
Yeah, and then this
Tent.
is a nice place.
Mm-hmm.
And look at that place.
So it's like for this one, okay, it's like $100 for this one. Errol, what about camping? When you gonna take us camping in Jamaica? Looks like Leo really loves India. Hi guys, what's up? So today we are going to an amusement park here in my city. Here, so we're gonna try something new. Leo, my mom, and the park is down there. So they have a lot of attractions that Leo will like. I'm not sure if we're gonna do all of them, but some of them we're gonna try. And this huge wheel, yeah, from the wheel you can see all the city. We will definitely try it. So Leo doesn't even know where I'm taking him. Here. So guys, here they train ball dancers. Yeah, see. Yeah. One time I was asking Errol if he would make Leo do that. Errol said no way. But it's pretty popular in my city.
Beautiful city.
Leo said this is a beautiful city. This is a very beautiful city. But it's a very cold city in winter. That is the minus. And this is a city center. I don't know why, but local people call it colorful square. I don't know why, but they call it like that. Well, it's colorful, full of colors. And our summer cafes, they're very popular now in Russia, in summers only. Yep. And that is it. This is the main square in my city. It's cozy, chilly, and nicely designed. Siberia, weird Siberia. And the weather is better today, thanks God. So I put my jacket. I'm even sweating though. So that's how all the teenagers are all by those scooters. Yeah. So this is a giant wheel. I'm going to ride it. Yeah, Leo saw some cars. He wants to ride them, but we have in Jamaica one of this. So we can start a business to rent them to people. And they charge pretty expensive though. They don't run for the price though. So when I was a kid, when I was like Leo, my mom used to take me here also. Yeah. And I used to love it. Used to really love it. But she only used to take me here when it was a holidays or some special occasions, special days, you know. Not every day, of course, because it's quite pricey. And I don't know why today, but a lot of kids there. Maybe some school camp brought them here. Yeah, a lot of kids do. Well, they have attractions for big people too, but I will not try it. No. I'll catch a heart attack. I am not going on them. So, you see this one that rocks high? Yeah, one time in one city, just the other year, it stuck in the air for both 5 or 10 minutes. People were just sitting inside upside down inside this machine. No, this does not worth it. Yeah. This is the main fountain in my city. Those women, they symbolize the seasons of the year. So one is summer, another one is autumn, and another one is winter, and another one is spring. And I don't know which one is who. But yeah, that's what they say. So now we are going to buy tickets there. The cashier is there. Guys, we are going on this giant Ferris wheel, and we're going to see all the city from up there. So each attraction costs from $2.50 to $3 per person per ride, I guess. Yeah, so we're gonna buy tickets. So I'm going to choose which one I want and pay for it, and then just go there. Which one you want, Leah?
Вот это стоит.
Нет.
No, you can't shoot. Mad. Boy, shoot.
Большой.
Choose something for kids. What you can do? You want this? Okay, bouncer. What else? You want this one, Leah? Look at this. You want this one? Yes? Okay. And you want this one, Leah? And this one? So scary? Okay, so you want this one?
Yeah.
And this one? Alright, alright. So they gave me the card and they put some money on it. Here, so after I can put more money on it, if I want to use more attractions, I can just, add some money on this card, and that's it. Yeah, we are going, but we are going. We're going there. Leo saw something. You know, when Leo sees something nice, he asks me to take his picture. So now he asked me to take a picture with the dragon, this 3-heads dragon. Okay, you ready? All right, Leo. So here we come. Классно. Leo said it's cool. Okay, let's try.
А еще вдвоем было бы втроем, а было легче. Я думаю, Челюба с ним не разговаривает.
Ага, спасибо.
Иди сюда поближе к окошечку.
So we are in. Yes, guys. What are you saying, Leo?
Here's garbage to drink and then fruits in the garden.
Okay, there's a table, a garbage bin.
And then we can
Yeah, everything for normal life. So you can stop here for a while.
Высоко поднимаемся.
And by the way, we are going upper and upper, higher and higher. You're moving. Let me show you something. KFC in the city center, and what else we have? McDonald's in the city center,
Here's
and this is the park. It's like one circle only.
Here's nice KFC over here.
Здание администрации города, где сзади нас.
So this is our government building. That's where they keep meetings. And this is circus, yeah, giant circus. Grow up going there. And oh, nice cafe up in the air though, on the rooftop, open restaurant. Need to visit. Yes, guys, you see we are high up in the sky. Leo is excited. Look at this one. Look at this one. Yeah.
Да, а вот там город издалека виден.
So Leo's trying to see our building, but no man, you can't see so far though, because we are pretty far Wow,
Смотри.
Да.
I'm getting
Да,
scared
маленькие
though.
такие они.
I am a little bit afraid, even though this thing is very comfortable and yeah, it has glass, but I am afraid though actually. Oh my god, I'm getting shaky because we are so high. Leah, you afraid?
Look at that. Look at that. Is locked. This thing locked.
Okay.
Everybody's not here to spin over here. And then this is locked.
Oh my gosh, Leo looks like he's not afraid.
Here's the music.
You're not afraid? Music relax your mind.
Look at the
That's why they
music.
put music here, probably.
This is the music.
Yes, look. As you can see, almost all the city center. This is only the city center. They have an AC inside. Can you believe? They offer also horse rides. Horsey. Yeah.
Вон поехали.
Да, поехала, лошадка поехала. So they did not let me in. Said to stay here and record from here. Okay. Lionel alone. First time alone on a ride. Big boy Leo. Whoa. Bacha. Man gan. Big man Leo. Daniel would have ball on time though. Ой, так высоко.
Держись.
Leo is smiling though. Muda scream if me him age. Oh, it's going more up. Oh my gosh. Did he change his face expression? No? No, Leon smiling same way. Don't.
Все, Лео, беги сюда. Скажи спасибо, тетя.
Okay, let's go. And this is a Baba Yaga. Baba Yaga. Yeah. It's from Russian them folk stories here. So I'm gonna take picture Leah and Baba Yaga.
Давай, все.
So we came to this one. Come Leah, let's go, let's fight. Faster Leah. Leah wants to go on horse. Держись хорошо. Hold it. Okay. So now my mom is going to take a picture of Leo with those. Those are clowns. There. They were working in a circus though. But no they did, so they just put their statues in front of the circus. Yeah, so I'm gonna take picture. Leo is ready. So I'm going to take his picture with a clown. Leo said he wants to buy cotton candy. Alright, Leo, so they have white one, they have blue one, and they have pink one. Which one you want? Какую хочешь, белую, синюю или розовую? Розовую? So Leo wanted pink one. Да, давайте. So guys, they just make it in front of you. This is a cotton candy machine's door. Why you want pink one? Hey, yo, girl. Alright, Leo, watch. Leo, watch. Watch. Look how he makes it. Watch out. Yes. Wow. Oh my God, this is a giant pink cotton candy. Leo is jumping. Yeah, man. Oh. Have you ever seen the big one like that? Oh my. It used to be back in the days my mother nightmare, because when I eat it, I was so messy. Скажи спасибо. Leo, call it good. Мам, помоги ему, это улетит. Знаю. Пошлите сядем куда-нибудь. Пойдем.
Не улетит он.
Watch out. This cotton candy bigger than Leo. Watch out. Alright, Leo.
You make a giant cotton candy.
Okay, Leo.
We eating the bigger cotton candy.
Show Daniel how you eating.
That was yum. That was yummy.
I decided to go on American ride. Just pay for it. And I'm going there. So my mom said I needed to go here to get really scared, but I'm not going there. No, I don't want to try this one. It's too scary though. It's too scary. But I did like 2 little screams on the one that I went on. That's enough for me. I was like sitting and thinking, why I even sitting here, why I am even doing that. It's crazy, but older you get, less you want to try something like that. I guess you have a lot of things to lose, so you value your life though. So I was sitting there literally thinking, no Swaggy, why even need that? Yeah, but that was nice. So we're going home now. Yeah, look Leo, this is a pony. Look, this is a pony. No. Хочешь покататься? You want to ride pony?
Нет?
No? Don't want to ride it? We decided to visit shopping mall, grocery store, because Leo love donuts, so we always check it. Yeah, we always check their bakery.
А там только со вкусом клубники.
So Leo is stroll in his trolley. Baby trolley for the baby Leo.